CompTIA A Plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.1. Compare and contrast display components and attributes. Display components. A touchscreen is a display that allows users to interact directly with what appears on the screen using touch input. Instead of relying solely on a keyboard or mouse, users can tap, swipe, pinch, or drag their fingers across the display to control the device. This direct interaction has become standard in mobile devices and is increasingly common in laptops and all-in-one systems. But here is an important distinction. The touchscreen you see and interact with is not a single component. It is actually made up of multiple layers working together behind the scenes. This brings us to the digitizer. The digitizer is a transparent layer positioned above the display panel. Its job is to detect touch input. When a user touches the screen, the digitizer senses the exact location of that touch and converts the physical motion into digital signals that the system can understand. It is important to understand that the display panel and the digitizer serve two different functions. The display panel produces the image. The digitizer detects the touch. If the image appears correctly, but the screen does not respond to touch, the digitizer may be the issue. If the screen responds to touch but shows no image, the display panel itself may be the problem. Now let's shift to a component you may encounter on older systems, the inverter. An inverter is a small circuit board found primarily in older laptops that use CCFL backlighting, which stands for cold cathode fluorescent lamp. Unlike modern LED backlit displays, CCFL backlights require high-voltage AC power to operate. The inverter's job is to convert the low-voltage DC power supplied by the laptop's battery or power adapter into the high-voltage AC power required by the CCFL backlight. Without a functioning inverter, the display may appear extremely dim or completely dark, even though the image is still being generated. A classic troubleshooting technique when a laptop screen appears black is to shine a flashlight at the display. If you can faintly see the image, it indicates that the display panel is functioning, but the backlight is not. It is important to note that inverters are largely obsolete in modern systems because LED backlighting does not require high-voltage AC power. LED displays use low-voltage DC power directly, and therefore do not require a separate inverter board. For the A+ exam, you should be able to distinguish between the touchscreen, the digitizer, and the inverter, understand their roles, and recognize common failure symptoms associated with each. In the next segment, we will shift from physical components to display attributes such as resolution, pixel density, refresh rate, and color gamut, which describe how a display performs rather than how it is built. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.